Hey insurance, this is Tony Candace, and today I'm coming in with some career advice. Early on in your career, you want to say yes. Period. You just want to say yes. You want to say yes to any side opportunities that show up, because early on in your career, chances are, number one, you don't yet know exactly what you want to do within our industry, and number two, you probably don't know exactly how much you like doing it, whatever it is that you want to do, and no, you probably don't really know your strengths yet. And the biggest thing, you have no network. Nobody knows who you are, and that is really problematic when it comes to your career growth. One of the three legs of the career growth is of the career growth tripod is networking. So early on in your career, my advice is say yes to absolutely any opportunity that comes along. Hey, you want to join Toastmasters? Yes. Hey, you want to apply for the Emerging Leaders Program? Yes. Hey, you want to go do a week of catastrophe duty because we need help right now? Yes. Hey, you want to work a few extra hours here or there? Yes. You want to join the United Way campaign in a very, very, very low level, in a very, very low level position? Yes. Hey, we need a photographer for the company event or for the CPCU event or whatever. Yes, just say yes. Early on, just say yes, because you want to be in the room where it happens. Basically, you want to expand your network internally and externally as much as possible. So early on, just say yes. Just say yes. Give everything a try. Figure out what it is that you really love. And the biggest thing you're gonna do is you're gonna expand your network, and you're going to really expand the number of people within the company that know you and that have seen your work in one way or another, connect with other departments. Anyway, say yes to any and all extracurricular activities early in your career for the first maybe 3 to 5 years, with the exception of you're a producer. If you're a producer, I would think that you want to be very active outside of the agency in things like the chamber, but maybe not so much internally. I don't know if you're going to get much from internally. But other than producers, anybody on the carrier side for sure, say yes to everything early on. And then little by little, a couple of things happen. You start getting really busy. You start dropping balls. Well, I did. Hopefully you don't. You start figuring out the things that you can really make a difference at and that are really rewarding for you personally. Once that happens, then it's time to start saying no. Not to everything. If you already tried one type of activity and it didn't work out, next time you get asked, now say no to it. And especially, you're probably busier now. So later on, don't be one of those people that is unable to say no and is always up to their eyeballs in stuff that is not helping them grow their career and that they're not enjoying. That's the general rule of thumb. Early on, let's say the first 3 to 5 years in your career, if you change companies, I would say, even if you were already at the no point in the last company, if you change companies for the first year, it probably makes sense to say yes to a lot more things, to meet a lot of people. But basically, rule of thumb, in the first 3 to 5 years of your career, say yes to any extracurricular activity that comes your way, and just give them a try. And then after somewhere around year 4, start being more and more selective and really underwrite which activities you want to be involved in. Lower your commitments only to the things that are really helping you grow and that you're really enjoying. That's how I did it, basically. On my side, early on, I joined everything and anything, and later on, I lowered down to the things that I really enjoyed and I was really good at. I let a lot of people down along the way, especially with my lack of ability to execute. Ultimately, it was very, very good for me to find the things that really work for me and to really help me get known throughout the company and the industry. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.